Okay, going to move on to the other side of the room now. Now I know in there that these lengths of skirting aren't long enough to go completely along the side of that wall. So what we're going to do is what we call a lengthening joint. And the best place to put a lengthening joint is in the furthest away, but also do it so you don't, the joint isn't highlighted from the doorway as you walk in. So I'm just going to take this length here, same as I did the other side, mark off the height of what I've got. Then use something with that same profile to draw around. And then I'm going to just cut that piece out. I'll use a big saw. Remember, if you're in the house somewhere, when you're flipping this stuff over, that you don't knock anything off or anything over. Just use a coping saw, follow me profile round. I've got this blade on what they call the pull, so it's on the backward stroke that it's cut in. You can turn those around the other way and have them on the push if you wish. So I've got a length there, and what I'm going to do now is put a mitre on it. So I'm just going to put a mitre on in that direction. So there I've got the joint for the corner and the mitre section. So now I'm just going to fix that one in place. So just put on that there. Just be careful with your hammer. If it does slip off the nails, it may be the fact that the face of your hammer's dirty, so just give it a bit of a clean with a bit of sandpaper and it won't slip off the nails then. I'm then going to grab a new length. And if I put that into that corner, tight up there, I can then mark off the full length on there. Mark out which way the direction the mitre is going to go. And use my square just to make sure I get it in the right place. I'm going to turn it over back. Because of the moulding, I'm just going to turn it from the back side and transfer that to the front. And then I can cut my mitre on there. It's very difficult then to notice from the doorway that there's actually a joint in that length of skirting at that point. Now a few. You can see this one's nice and tight down on the floor.